Hello students, how are you? Again I am here to teach you topic of class 3rd, chapter 9, local self-government in SST. Myself Anju Khatri, but before going to start, I would like to request you like, share my video and subscribe our channel. What is local self-government? Local self-government, you know that there are so many people live in villages, towns and cities of our country. Our nation is divided into many states, included cities, districts, town, villages. So our nation is divided into
states,
and
cities,
and
villages,
good. Our nation is divided into villages, cities, towns.
and
Okay.
etc.
So there are so many people live there. So who looks after the care of people? Our government. Who looks
Government.
after the care of people?
Our government,
Yes, our government. Government is divided into two parts.
two parts.
Why we formed government?
Government,
Government is formed to provide different facilities to the people of villages, towns and cities. Government is of two types, central government and state government. Central government is formed for entire nation, means central government looks after the care of whole nation, but state government looks after the care of only particular state.
particular state.
Local self-governing bodies have been formed to provide the basic needs of all the people. What are the basic needs of the people? The basic needs of the people are sanitation, lighting on streets, clean drinking water, and many more. So they all arrange the different facilities for the people who lived in villages, town and cities. The basic needs of the people are clean drinking water, proper street lighting, proper education, maintenance of road, provide health facilities. So these government provides clean drinking water, looks after public sanitation. They maintain public libraries, parks in different areas. They also run school, hospitals, orphanages, child welfare centers, etc. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we start local self-government. Our local self-government is also called as local self-bodies. They are included in cities and villages. In villages, Panchayati Raj is formed for the welfare of villagers. Panchayati Raj is also called as Gram Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat.
Yes, another name of Panchayati Raj is Gram Panchayat. It is formed for the welfare of village people. Okay. For the welfare of village people.
Okay, ma'am.
Panchayati Raj includes Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Jila Parishad. Gram Panchayat is particularly made for only one village, but Panchayat Samiti is formed for the block level, means they included 40 villages, and Jila Parishad is formed for above 40 villages, means it included a district, means Jila. Now we will talk about the welfare of cities. Who looks after the care of peoples lived in cities? Municipal committee. Okay, it is called as municipal committee, and in big cities it is called as municipal corporation. Okay, the head of, the leader of, or a head of Panchayati Raj is called as Panch, Sarpanch or Pradhan, and in cities it is called as chairman, but in municipal corporation it is called as mayor. Clear? Okay. Panchayati Raj is also called as Panchayati Raj. Okay. Gram Panchayat, and it is formed for the welfare of villages. Clear? It is divided into 3 parts: Gram Panchayat, Block Samiti and Zilla Parishad. This is a picture of Gram Panchayat. What is municipal committee? The local self-government or the government which is formed for the people who lived in city or town. They are called as municipal committee. Municipal committee is formed for the welfare of peoples who lived in cities or towns. Clear? In big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, these municipal committees are called as municipal corporation. So, what we see in this chapter? Yes, we see that there is village panchayat or Panchayati Raj who looks after the village people, and municipal committee who looks after the need of people who lived in cities. They require money. Municipal committee and Panchayati Raj, they both need the money for the welfare of people. So we see that they work hard for the people of villages as well as cities and towns. We must cooperate and help them in their work. Now we will do some exercise. Our first activity is fill in the blanks. The dash government looks after the need of the nation. Which government looks after the needs of the nation? Central government. Our answer is central government. Okay. Now next is the dash is the political system of governance in the villages of India. Which is the political system of governance in the villages of India? Can you tell me answer? Yes, Gram Panchayat. Who looks after the care of people who lived in villages? Gram Panchayat. Next is about 40 villages joined together to form a which? What? 40 villages joined together to form a
Panchayat Samiti.
good. They form a Panchayat Samiti or Block Samiti. They form a Panchayat Samiti or Block Samiti. Our last fill up is the Zilla Parishad looks after the need of a
District.
yes, our Zilla Parishad looks after the need of a district. Clear? Now we will do next exercise. Our next exercise is match the following. Zilla Parishad is formed for the people who lived in
District.
yes, we will write number 1 in front of district. Our next is Panchayat. Panchayat is formed for the
Village.
yes, Panchayat is formed for the village. Our next is Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti is formed for the
Block.
good. Panchayat Samiti is formed for the block. Next is Municipal Corporation. Municipal Corporation is formed for the
City.
very good. It is formed for the cities. Our next is Sarpanch. Sarpanch is also called as
Pradhan.
very good. Sarpanch is also called as Pradhan. Next is Mayor. Mayor is also called as
Chairman.
very good. So I hope you understand this exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.